Riddle me this, riddle me that. Who among you is worthy to be called the Bat? The excitement's been building, the riddle has been solved. Are you ready for the most epic announcement of all?
I'm building an alliance.
Got to be good looking 'cause he's so hard to see. Come together right now over me.
Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Derek here of DH Cosplay, here to bring to you an absolutely amazing announcement. And for those of you that weren't able to figure it out from that epic trailer, Alter Ego Studios, Arkham Workshop, JCJ Maker Studios, and Robson Bento have come together in a collaborative effort to put together an absolutely amazing and epic ultimate Justice League Batsuit. So with the Snyder Cut just a few days away, the hype for Justice League is unreal, and there's a lot of people that are putting together their own Justice League cosplays. But the problem is, whenever you put together a suit, especially one as complex as that, you have to hunt down a cowl, a cape, a belt, gauntlets, a suit, boots. You have to hunt down all these accessories, most of the time from different artists and from all over the world, and there's a lot of logistics involved, a lot of cost involved, and most of the time a lot of frustration. And then once you get it in, maybe sometimes things won't line up properly, and because it's made from different specs, and it's just an overall very frustrating experience. So Thomas and Phil over at Alter Ego Studios decided, you know what, our customers deserve better, these cosplayers deserve better. So Alter Ego has teamed up with Arkham Workshop, JCJ Maker Studios, and Robson Bento to put together the ultimate Justice League Batsuit. So Thomas and Phil at Alter Ego are not only going to be curating this set and providing this one-stop shop solution for you guys, they'll also be providing several of the accessories. Not the least of which is their beautiful Justice League cowl. I actually have an in-depth review of this cowl, which is linked below in the description if you want to take a closer look at that. Their cowls are absolutely amazing. They slide on really easy. They're very comfortable. The attention to detail is just absolutely amazing. And I gotta be honest, their Justice League cowl is my favorite Justice League cowl on the market. They will also be providing the gauntlets for the suit. Now, something that I think is really cool that these guys are doing, while this is specifically a Justice League suit, these gauntlets are actually very versatile. You can use them for any bat suit. The hardened urethane gauntlet covers can be removed if you don't want the Justice League look, and it still has the railing system where you can have interchangeable fins, and you can use the beautiful urethane gauntlets for any suit. What's really cool about these gauntlets is they're very easy to put on. They have a simple zipper enclosure that goes around the wrist and the forearm area to make it very easy to put on. If you've ever tried to put on gauntlets while you're in a suit, it's not a very comfortable experience at all. So these guys have really put a lot of work into making sure it's as comfortable as possible, and they're providing not only a great looking gauntlet, but something that is very durable, it's not going to be tearing on you very easily, and it's going to really stand the test of time. They'll also be providing the belt. The belt makes the man, you gotta be honest. I mean, the coolest part about Batman is the utility belt, am I right? So these guys are putting together a screen accurate resin printed utility belt with functional pouches and functional cylinders, as you're seeing here. It's just that next level of attention to detail, that next level of accuracy, and there's a fun factor to that as well. Who doesn't want functional pouches and functional cylinders on their suit? They'll also be providing other accessories like the knuckles for the gloves and the emblem for the Arkham Workshop suit. Then we get to the amazing bat suit by Keith Howard at Arkham Workshop. Keith is an absolute legend in this field, and no one has put in more time and more research and more devotion and passion into making a truly comfortable suit to wear, but also something that looks really, really great. I have his Justice League Batsuit, and it is my favorite Batsuit I've ever worn. I gotta be honest with you, I look epic in it. I love it. It's absolutely amazing. It fits great. Keith really goes above and beyond to make sure that the suit fits the individual wearer. I'm a bigger guy, so he had to put a little bit of work in to make sure that the muscles and everything were gonna be proportional on someone my size, and it's absolutely amazing. It makes all the difference in the world. And Keith is a great guy, and again, there's no one better when it comes to making Batsuits. And if you've ever been on a con floor for hours and hours at a time, you know that the comfortable set of boots is absolutely essential, and that's where Robson Bento comes in with his absolutely amazing and gorgeous DOJ and Justice League inspired bat boots. They're very comfortable, made out of genuine leather, very high quality, and they look great as well, which is obviously very important. Now to talk about the cape, which will be provided by my good friend Cody Jenkins, I'm actually going to pass the mic to him and let him tell you about the amazing cape he's going to be providing for you.
Hello, it's Cody Jenkins with JCJ Maker Studio here, and I am proud to be part of this announcement. this team up, this gathering, this coming together. I am very proud and excited to show you the ultimate Justice League Batman cape. This is one of the lightest capes on the market. It's made of a super breathable material, so on your back it gives some airflow, and it's not as hot as your average pleather materials. When the wind blows, this thing blows. It flows, it's beautiful, and it's nice and light. Your fold system is my classic fold system updated for the Alter Ego Studios Justice League cowl. You simply put your cape on, your cowl on, and slot your folds in place, and you're ready to serve some justice. This is by far my favorite cape I've ever produced. At a massive 8 panels, this thing can spread just like your classic comic capes, but still has the convenience and the looks of the Justice League folds. Weighing in at well under 2 pounds, this is the ultimate Justice League Batman cape. I'm very excited about the partnership we have formed, and I am excited to know that I am a part of a head-to-toe perfect Batman Justice League suit. Let's come together.
I couldn't have said it better myself, but I'll go ahead and try anyway. Thank you guys so much for watching this announcement. It was an absolute honor. Thank you so much to Thomas and Phil and Keith and John and Rob and everyone involved in this process for allowing me to be the one to make this announcement. I consider all these guys to be friends. I think they're all amazing artists. And guys, I'm gonna tell you from personal experience, these guys are the best of the best of the best, and you will not regret getting this suit from them. And definitely be watching because they got other really cool stuff in the works as well. I'm very excited to be a part of that as well. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this. Go and buy this suit. You won't regret it. Go watch the Snyder Cut. Hopefully you won't regret it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Y'all have a blessed day, and I'll see you next time.
One thing I can tell you.